Hey everyone, my name is Maha and I'm a member of my FTC robotics team, Robotex. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create an Onshape account and give you a full beginner-friendly tour of the interface. By the end of this video, you'll be able to set up your own account and understand how to navigate Onshape so you can start designing parts for your robot. Let's get started by creating an account. First, you search up Onshape Education. Then you click Sign Up Now. Put in your name, and then you put in your FTC email address. Then you click Education, Student, Grade School, ages under 18. Put your date of birth in. Confirm your plan. Put your school name in, your school website URL. But if you are a community-based team, then you can put ftcinspires.org. Graduation year, what you're using Onshape for, and then click these 3 checkboxes and complete the sign up. Now that you have an Onshape account, let's go over the interface so you don't feel lost when you first open it. You create a document, make a document name. Okay, this is the top toolbar. Across the top, you'll see Sketch, Extrude, and Revolve. These are your main building tools. Don't worry if you don't know what they do yet. We'll cover them in later videos. This is our feature tree on the left side. This shows you every step you've taken while building your part. If something goes wrong, you can come back here and edit it. In the center is your workspace. This is where you'll create and view your designs. You can rotate by right-clicking and zoom in with your scroll wheel, or you can use this box. At the bottom tabs, you'll see Part Studio and Assembly. Part Studios are where you create individual parts, and assemblies are where you connect everything together. On the right, you'll see tools for measurements, viewing options, and other settings. To summarize, we've learned how to create an Onshape account and explored the basic interface, including where to find tools and how to navigate the workspace. Now it's your turn. Go ahead and create your account and start exploring. In the next video, we'll go over basic tools like sketching and extruding to start building real parts. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then please subscribe.